Hello and welcome to Every Mile. Today we are in Idaho Falls, Idaho. We're gonna celebrate the birthday of our daughter, who's actually not in the car with us. She decided to ride with Uncle and Auntie as we reach our first destination, which is
the Idaho Zoo.
Idaho Zoo. Let's go check this place out.
Making memories with every mile, every mile.
Hey, happy birthday.
Thanks.
How old are you?
7.
7. You had to think about it?
But not 7 yet.
Not yet, not till 7 o'clock tonight, huh?
Yes.
All right, so they give you these little tokens that you can then put into the thing here and vote where you want your money to go. G's gonna show us how it's done right here. All right, African penguins. So it did just snow yesterday, so I'm not expecting to see too much, but we'll see how it is. It looks pretty cool. The duck escaped the pen.
It's a duck walk.
Yeah, it's just a dog walking around.
Oh, the red-tailed hawk.
This place really wants his water. Hello, pelican.
Which one tap dances?
What up? This is my cleaning suite.
You got a spoon.
Eat that for breakfast.
You can't say the word wallaby without sounding Australian. I was standing here for a few minutes before I even realized that there's actually camels right there. Like, I was looking at this pen, I was looking at the other pen, and then I was like, hey, wait, look. Master Shifu.
What would you like to teach us today? I'm looking at the camels.
The camels. You ever tried to ride a camel?
No way.
Me neither. I think it'd be fun.
Yep. But I'll take very slowly.
Yeah, if you rode it, would you ride between the humps or on top of the humps?
I think on top of the hump so I can see better.
He's going to his cave.
Why can't we get cleaner? We're gonna have to wash them.
Do you know that just like human fingerprints, that zebra's stripes are all unique?
Yeah.
And you can identify the zebra based on its stripes.
They're all different.
They're all different.
It's so beautiful.
You like the zoo?
Yeah.
Yeah? Is it cold?
Yeah.
This one right here keeps hitting me with snowballs. These things used to wander around LA Zoo when I was younger. Last time we went, I didn't see any, but it's kind of fun.
He's doing his teeth. He's angry. He's cute, Mom. He's like. Is there any animals?
I don't know. I've never been there. All right, we are done with the zoo. Off to stop number 2. The zoo was fun.
The zoo was super fun. It was really surprising.
Yeah, I was surprised with like how much there actually was here.
And it just opened.
And it just opened yesterday for the season, and so we came and we checked it out. Recommend if you're in Idaho Falls, check out the Idaho Falls Zoo.
Great.
Now we're off to step number 2. Another surprise.
Is that real?
That's the Megan.
I hope not.
Is that a real size?
Yeah. Some of the past exhibits. Oh, that one was very cool.
Wait, can you pretend this is your real home? Can you?
People were shorter back then.
Hello?
see it, Mad Dog. No, leave it.
Okay, shoot one of these animals. Which one did you get? The buffalo. He got the buffalo. Even the buffalo is still alive.
Oh, and there's tablets for each one. All right, so we are all done with the Museum of Idaho. How was it?
It was really fun.
Really fun, right? All right, we're gonna go to our next stop. I think we're gonna go get some food.
Yes, yeah, I'm hungry.
We're all hungry.
Yeah,
Let's
we're
do
all
it.
hungry.
How's your food?
Good.
Good? You like Culver's?
Yeah.
We don't have this in California, huh?
No. If we want Cobra, just come here.
All right, so we are done with lunch at Culver's and we are at our next stop, which is Idaho Falls. We are here on the Snake River to check out the waterfalls here. So it is 43 degrees here in Idaho Falls. So we're a little bit cold, so that's why I got the hood up. But it is such a beautiful day, despite a little bit of the cold. Look how beautiful the falls look behind me. Meow.
Not so fast.
All right, and we are at our last stop of the day here in Idaho. We are going to the East Idaho Aquarium. Fun day in Idaho Falls. You like it so far?
Yeah, I love it.
Everyone say hi.
Hi. Wait, Mommy, did you get a coin? I got a coin. Wait, a starfish! Yeah, there's actually two. This is so cool! It's by where the... Wait, Daddy, look what's coming! Wow. It doesn't look like a shark.
It's just the shrimp. It's shrimp.
We just put it in the water and drop it.
Either one. Hold it between your fingers. It'll... It feels, these feel cold if you touch them with your fingers, they feel cold. Just one more. Yeah.
Yeah.
Longer.
Oh! Oh!
Is that a lot?
Weird!
That's